Well, DIYs, this is an easy toilet floor. It's probably taken me longer to set up than what it will to actually lay it. But you got to have a bit of a win sometimes, they say. Because not only is it 2 tiles wide, I don't even have to cut them. Because 2 tiles fit nicely. Where's my clips? Yeah, most toilet width. Most toilets are 900 wide. So 2 tiles, 2 450 tiles, bloody beautiful. Ooh, ooh. I'm not going to do my cuts at the doorway. I'll leave them till Monday. Today's Friday. This is all I'm able to do today, so I have a little bit of an early one, which is cool. Nice for a change. Lovely. Four more tiles. I was pocket calling on my phone then. I don't know who I was dialing, but someone. The old pocket call. Takes you longer to shuffle things around than do the floor. Nice. See how I always I never leave my glue too long. People say, oh, you need to back butter. Not when you're putting it down as fresh as that. Not when you're putting your tiles down as quick as that. I didn't scrape my glue away. You see what happens? So it pays to scrape your glue away. Oh, I'm moving too fast. Not concentrating on what I'm doing. I was thinking. I was thinking that one more and that's the toilet floor done. Where the hell is my rubber hammer? Whacking the tile with your hand is not good all the time. Right, that's a quick, easy toilet floor. I'll fill that on Monday when I can walk on this. And it's the weekend. What's time? 1:05. So that took the length of this video. Nothing's been sped up, so it was a quick toilet floor. In saying that, you do have some things that take a bit of time in tiling. Tiling is not just all about slapping them down. What I've done there. Woohoo! That's it. I'm off home. It's an early day, Friday. It's the weekend. Haha!